Every woman deserves to look and feel good. And fortunately, it's not about what size you are or what type of figure you have. The key is in the clothes you choose to wear. Therefore, in this video, you will discover the 7 foundational pieces you should have in your closet that are key essentials for effortless style. Once you discover these foundation pieces, I promise you, you will find that the time it takes you to get dressed becomes quicker, and you won't also have those dreaded moments where you feel like you have nothing to wear, or rather nothing that you feel good in. So, keep watching. Classy, elegant, and versatile are the standard features of a must-have item like a button-down shirt. A button-down shirt usually has a perfect drape against the body, and its buttons give just enough classiness and structure to make it a flattering look for every woman. I like a white button-down shirt because its styling is super minimal and simple. It is a foundation piece that you'll throw on without thinking twice and instantly add effortless chic to your everyday outfits. Lightweight vest is a great finishing touch you need for every outfit. Its sleeveless design gives just the right balance of comfort and warmth and helps create a flattering look for every woman. Did you know, other than using a belt to hold up your clothes, you can also use it as an accessory to change up your style? Adding a belt to your outfit can instantly and effortlessly take your style from 6 to 10. However, I strongly recommend you find the perfect position for your belt in order to look good in your overall outfit. What I mean is, where the belt sits on the waist or hips will greatly affect the overall look of the outfit. Of course, this will depend on your body type. Do you have long waist, short waist, straight waist, defined waist, and so much more? If you would like a style guide on how to wear a belt to look more stylish, just comment below and I will do a detailed video for all body types. When you're hoping for casual comfort and simple style, you can't look past a quality knitted sweater, especially a neutral color cardigan or sweater that will coordinate easily with the rest of your clothing. What I love most about this wardrobe piece is that it's not only the perfect item to slip on over a pant or your favorite denim, but it also looks fabulous all on its own. Cropped pants are comfortable, fashionable, and fun, but they can also be unflattering on many women who don't know how to wear them. I love cropped pant mostly because it is a simple way to elongate the legs and add extra height to your silhouette. If you would like to discover stylish ways to wear cropped pants, then subscribe so you don't miss the next video on these styling tips.